Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.8% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices gained more than 2%, bouncing back from multi-month lows after data showed a bigger than expected draw in US crude stockpiles, even as worries about weak oil demand in China persisted. The interest rate for the most popular US home loan plunged last week to its lowest level in 15 months, after the Federal Reserve signaled it could start cutting its policy rate in September, and a downshift in the job market bolstered financial market bets the cuts would be big. After over 3 years of inactivity, cryptocurrency wallets linked to the Plus token Ponzi scheme have moved $2 billion in ETH. Up to 790,000 ETH was linked to the Plus token Ponzi scheme and has not been moved since April 2021.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, the Irish Consumer Price Index at 10 GMT. The Austrian trade balance will be released at 7 GMT, Japan's Eco-Watcher survey current at 5 GMT, Japan's Eco-Watcher survey outlook at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.